Hello everyone, this is Urvashi Chauhan and you are watching Courts Today by LiveLaw. We bring to you the latest and in-depth legal coverage. Coming to you with a brief of what all happened in the Indian courts today. Dear viewers, today I would like to start by thanking you. As LiveLaw has reached 3 lakh YouTube subscribers, we are extremely grateful for your support. When you support us by subscribing, sharing and commenting on our videos, we get more subscriptions, which financially supports us to bring you more content on various legal issues which a citizen must know. Starting with the ongoing Gyanvapi Mosque case, you already know that in May last year, after the plaintiffs claimed that a shivling had been found inside the Gyanvapi Mosque premises based on a commission report, the Varanasi court had ordered to seal the area, which was the Wazu Khana where Muslim worshippers used to perform ablutions before prayers. The Gyanvapi Masjid Committee had recently requested the Apex Court to make arrangements for wazu and washrooms in view of the Ramzan month. Today, the Supreme Court bench of Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice P.S. Narasimha disposed of the application after recording an assurance provided by the Solicitor General of India, Tushar Mehta, for sufficient tubs of water would be provided by the district administration at the place where wazu is performed on the occasion of Eid tomorrow. The court has directed the district magistrate to ensure sufficient number of tubs and facilities for water in proximity so as to avoid any inconvenience to the devotees who will come for performing namaz. Another important news which arises out of the ongoing tussle between the Delhi government and the Lieutenant Governor. As per the Electricity Act, there are state electricity regulatory commissions and central regulatory electricity commissions. It is the Commission's function to fix tariffs for electricity and deal with other electricity issues for the power producing companies. Delhi Electricity Regulatory Commission has been functioning without a chairperson for the past 4 months. And according to the Delhi government, the governor is sitting on the file. The Supreme Court today issued notice on a writ petition filed by the Government of Delhi against the Delhi Lieutenant Governor's inaction in approving the proposal to appoint retired Madhya Pradesh High Court Judge Justice Rajiv Kumar Srivastava as the chairperson of Delhi Electricity Regulatory Commission DERC. Senior Advocate Dr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi, instructed by Advocate on Record Shahadan Farasat, appearing for the Government of Delhi, told the Supreme Court bench that the Lieutenant Governor was delaying the decision by saying that he required legal opinion to ascertain if the concurrence of the Chief Justice of the Delhi High Court is required to make the appointment. Let me tell you here that Section 84, Clause 2 of the Electricity Act requires consultation with the Chief Justice of the parent High Court of the person sought to be appointed as chairperson of DERC. CJI Chandrachud also clarified that the phrase Chief Justice of that High Court in the section means the Chief Justice of the High Court where the person to be appointed was a judge. So in this case, it means the Madhya Pradesh High Court and not Delhi High Court. The petition also states that the consent of the Chief Justice of Madhya Pradesh High Court has already been obtained for the appointment of Justice Srivastava. The petition further says that instead of taking any action on the proposal, the Lieutenant Governor has written to the Minister of Law and Justice seeking clarification of the phrase consultation with the Chief Justice of that High Court. The matter has been listed for next Friday. Stay tuned for more updates on the case. And now coming to important updates on the issue of fake news of migrant workers from Bihar being attacked in Tamil Nadu for speaking in Hindi. If you remember, last month videos of Hindi-speaking migrant workers allegedly being attacked in Tamil Nadu were shared widely on social media. They were eventually debunked as fake by fact-checkers and the State Police Department, but not before causing widespread panic. On a complaint filed by Surya Prakash, a member of the IT wing of the ruling party in Tamil Nadu, DMK, the state police has registered a case against web portal OP India's Chief Executive Officer and editor Ms. Nupur Sharma and Mr. Rahul Roshan for spreading fake news about migrant laborers from Bihar being targeted for speaking in Hindi. Nupur Sharma and Rahul Roshan had filed a petition before the Apex Court challenging the FIR. Today, the Supreme Court bench comprising CJI D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice P.S. Narasimha refused to entertain the petition and asked the petitioners to approach the Madras High Court for quashing the FIR. However, the bench granted them protection from any coercive action based on the FIR for 4 weeks, so as to give them time to avail judicial remedies. Regarding the same controversy, another petition was also heard by the Supreme Court, filed by YouTuber Manish Kashyap. It was alleged that Manish Kashyap spread fake news about the attacks on people from Bihar in the southern state. Various FIRs were filed against him, and he has also been detained under the National Security Act. The Supreme Court bench also questioned the need for invoking NSA for such allegations. To this, the senior advocate Kapil Sibal, who was appearing for the state of Tamil Nadu, informed the court that Kashyap had nearly 60 lakh followers on social media, and his videos caused widespread panic and fear among migrant workers. In this matter, the Supreme Court today issued notice to the state of Tamil Nadu, asking them to file their response, and has posted the matter for next Friday. In another important case, the Supreme Court has stayed the order of Telangana High Court granting Lok Sabha member Y.S. Avinash Reddy interim protection from arrest till April 25th in a case pertaining to the murder of former Andhra Pradesh Minister Y.S. Vivekanand Reddy. Besides this, the top court also stayed the proceedings before the High Court in an anticipatory bail application filed by the legislator who belongs to Telangana's ruling YSRC party. The background facts of the case are that Y.S. Vivekanand Reddy, a member of the Indian National Congress and brother of the late Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S. Rajshekhara Reddy, was found murdered at his residence in Andhra Pradesh in 2019. The case was initially probed by a special investigation team of the State Crime Investigation Department, but in July 2020, the case was handed over to the CBI, which filed a charge sheet in 2021 and a supplementary charge sheet in 2022. Last Sunday, CBI issued summons to Avinash Reddy. In anticipation of his arrest, he approached the High Court. In a relief to Avinash Reddy, Telangana High Court reserved its order till April 25th, while granting him protection from arrest till then. Today, a bench of Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and P.S. Narasimha was hearing a petition filed by N. Sunitha Reddy, the daughter of murdered former minister, challenging the decision of the High Court to grant Avinash Reddy interim protection from arrest. Senior advocate Siddharth Luthra, who appeared for Ms. Sunitha Reddy, informed that the High Court had passed directions to CBI on how to question the accused, including the daily appearance of the Avinash Reddy at the CBI office between 19th April and 25th April, questions and answers to be recorded in printed format, and the questionnaire to be made available to the petitioner. After seeing the directions, the CGI orally remarked that the directions were atrocious and unacceptable. However, on request made by senior advocate Ranjit Kumar, appearing for Avinash Reddy, while pleading that he was not having copy of the appeal, and if the High Court order was stayed, his client would be arrested forthwith, the court said that no arrest be made till Monday. The Supreme Court will now hear the matter on Monday. And now coming to an update from the Karnataka High Court. Today, the Karnataka High Court rejected the petition filed by Xiaomi India challenging an order passed by the competent authority appointed under the Foreign Exchange Management Act (FEMA), confirming the order issued by the Enforcement Directorate seizing rupees 5,551.27 crores of the company. Xiaomi India is a wholly owned subsidiary of China-based Xiaomi Group. In April last year, the amount of rupees 5,551.27 crore lying in the bank accounts of the company was seized by the Enforcement Directorate by saying that a probe found the company had made illegal remittances to foreign entities by passing them off as royalty payments. Xiaomi had challenged this decision by the Enforcement Directorate. The matter was then redirected to the competent authority appointed under FEMA. This competent authority confirmed the order issued by Enforcement Directorate. Xiaomi India then filed a petition against this order of the competent authority before the Karnataka High Court. and today the single judge bench of Justice M. Nagprasanna of Karnataka High Court dismissed the petition on merits but upheld its maintainability. Xiaomi had challenged Section 37A of the FEMA Act. This provision empowers central government's authorized officers to seize an entity's assets in India on suspicion of violation of FEMA. Xiaomi had challenged this as violative of Article 14 and 20 read with Article 300A and 301 of the Constitution of India. It further contended that the mandate of Section 37A was vague and gave unfettered powers to the authorized officer to seize property at his whims and wishes. The court, however, upheld the constitutional validity of Section 37A and said that it did not suffer from any manifest arbitrariness. Though the petition has been rejected, the court has granted liberty to the company to avail statutory remedy under Section 37A Clause 5 of FEMA. Thank you for watching. If you wish to know more details about the cases I mentioned here, please visit our website at www.livelawmedia.in. Stay ahead with quick legal updates only on LiveLaw. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe and support us.